Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Let's visit today world's largest furniture retailer IKEA which has been recently opened in Navi Mumbai. Come, let's go and have a look at it. So guys, as you saw, after crossing a very heavy security check at the entrance, so finally now I'm entering the parking lot. Come, let's go in. Wow, yeah, I have never seen such an entrance. It's like a tunnel. So, friends, on visiting there, what I got to know is you need to register yourself online on IKEA website, and they will be giving you a barcode. You need to carry it along with you, maintaining safe social distancing. So, as a courtesy, they also offer you packed drinking water at the entrance. So, you will be provided a digital barcode which you need to carry throughout your visit to the IKEA. So you get a wide range of options here, as you can see, to select how your home interior should actually look like. So this section is of different shelves, cupboards, which you can use for storing for your interior work. So they come at a different price ranges. So you're free to select your own. So what basically they have done here is they have split the entire floor into different sections or different rooms, which can be a living room, a sample living room, or a sample kitchen, or a sample, study room for the children's. So this is a living room, as you all can see. You can see there's a TV beautifully placed over the table. There's an L-shaped sofa. You can see a dining set over there with beautiful interior been done, beautifully decorated chandeliers. You can see how the wall is being decorated. So they are giving you a sample living room, how your living room should beautifully look like. And trust me, guys, it was very appealing. So this is a section where you can see different doormats at a wide range of affordable prices, starting from rupees 129, 159, 79 rupees. There are variety of options to select, as you all can see, and trust me, the quality is really nice. We have so many options to select. Hi friends. So now we have moved to a different section. So this section is for wall frames and clocks, and you can see there are different types of frames, big size, medium size, and now this is a section for mirrors, different types of mirrors for wardrobes, for washrooms. You can see how beautifully they are designed. So you get a variety of options here in IKEA, as you can see, and I must say that you need to spend at least one full day to select your type of product. So there's a section of this is like kind of small nursery. So there are different plants, as you can see. So there are artificial plants for the interior work. There are lively plants. You can see different types of money plants over here, so beautifully kept. And trust me, they are available at a very reasonable price. They look or seem to be very costly, but they are really affordable. So these are artificial flowers which you can keep in your living room or bedroom. I really don't think so that we can get such good, artificial or real plants in other shops at such affordable prices. There are different flower vases also, you can see. So you can zoom in and see the price. It's really affordable. The different vases you can see. So you can see how they stock up their product over here. It's approximately around say 35 to 40 feet high. How they have stocked up so beautifully, so systematically. So this is like their small go down or something. You can see how tables, chairs, different types of chairs which can be used at home or in office, how